What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video we'll be doing or try to find the integral of the following function here. Now if you think you can do this problem, you can pause and do the problem, and let's see if your answer is going to be the same as the answer that I'm going to get at the end of this video. Now if it's your first time watching videos on this channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified. Alright guys, if you want to watch the previous videos, you can go to the playlist section where I group the videos according to the chapters and topics. Alright, let's do this one. So you cannot really integrate this like this, so the best way here is to take out the common factor. Let's simplify it and let's take out the common factor here. So let's take out the common factor. As you can see, the first term has 2 and the last term has 2 there, so the common factor here is 2. So if you take out 2, you'll be left with cot squared x plus 1 dx. Right, don't forget dx. It means that we are integrating with respect to x. Now when you look at this, guys, it looks very familiar. This, guys, is what we call the square identity. If you still remember, this one here is like this. When you have 1 plus cot squared x is the same as cosec squared x. So basically we can change this 1 plus cot squared with cosec squared. So let's do it. Let's substitute it there. Right, so now we have 2. So wherever there is cot squared x plus 1, we substitute with cosec squared x. So this is going to be 2 cosec squared x dx. So when it's like this, it's very simple for us to integrate this one here. Now you need to remember, guys, when you integrate cosec, there is a formula for it. So let's do it. So the integration of cosec squared, by the way, and x, what is the integral of cosec squared x? Remember, n is a coefficient there, guys, right? It's coefficient of x. So this is going to give us negative cot n x over n plus c. Do not forget that, guys. Just in case it so happen that you don't remember where these are coming from, I made a video here explaining or showing the formulas of this trigonometric function here, the integral of the trigonometric functions. Go and watch that video there. Right, so from here we just substitute here, guys. Y is gonna be, so we have 2 as a coefficient, and then multiply by negative cot. So we're gonna say negative cot, what is our x coefficient there? It's 1. So even if you don't write it, just write x there, divide by 1 plus c. Don't forget, guys, c stands for constant and also indicates that these are indefinite integrals. So this is going to be negative 2 cot x plus c. That is our final answer. As you can see, this was not that challenging, guys. It's just that you needed to know the square identity, especially this one here. So if you didn't know this square identity, probably it was going to give you some sort of a challenge, really. But anyway, guys, if you manage to understand, you can like the video, and also, guys, leave a comment if you have anything to comment about, as well as share this video to your friends who are doing the same subject. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. and hit the bell notification as well. Guys, at the end of this video, there will be a playlist of these trigonometric functions where we integrate them. You can watch them in a sequence order for you to understand way much better. Click on that playlist and watch those videos. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Till next time, cheers.